Today we are headed up into the beautiful mountains near Mineral, Washington. We're headed towards an old abandoned waterworks building. It's been abandoned for years and years and years. And I mentioned a couple of times that I thought it was an old elementary school for the town of Mineral, but people living in the town, a couple people I talked to, mentioned that it was an old waterworks building. So here we go. Let's get right to it. Hello everyone. I got a really special place to show you guys today. This is a place I didn't think existed anymore. It was abandoned way back 25, 30 years ago at least. It's right by a highway and another main road that goes into a small town way out in the mountains. And look where we are.
And I'm comfortable and happy.
Yeah.
Where are we? Where are we?
Right behind you.
Oh, we're at a school. We think it's a schoolhouse. From why it's open. You can get in it. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. I didn't know this. Brad's been talking to me and telling me, but of course I didn't quite get what he was telling me. Look at that. What is that out there, Brad? There's an old chimney out there, guys. Oh, you gotta walk out there and see what it is.
I haven't been able to
Did you get out there?
No, I didn't. So maybe some bonus material.
Do we have snakes around here?
Gardener.
Nothing that'll bite you, right?
No.
Okay, guys, look at this. Wow. Ooh, there is a perfect Instagram shot. Look at that.
So anyway, without further ado, got to show you this. This is an old, very old elementary school. Here it is, guys. Isn't that awesome? And it's wide open. It's open door policy. I've been wanting to check this place out for so long, and I totally forgot that he was even here and didn't think it would ever be here anymore. So this is a special treat for me. I hope it is for you too. Let's go get started. Wow, this place is so cool. I'm just so grateful that it's still here. Come along and let's check it out. Watch out for the briar bushes there. Wow. That's so cool. I'm totally in shock that this place is still here. What a great find. I thought this place would have been burned down or something a long time ago. It's just amazing to see this. I wish you guys, well, I guess you are here with me, right? They need to definitely preserve places like this, you know? It's amazing.
God, this is the coolest thing ever. This is so cool. Thank you, Brad, for taking me here. Hello? Is there anybody here? Thank you for letting us come in your building. Do you think there was a second floor?
There was.
There was a second floor. Look.
You can see the light bulb there, and you can see power outlet over there in the corner.
It looks like they put like a new roof on.
It does.
I wonder if they're going to save it. Somebody's trying to save it.
And to see in the windows, you notice anything weird about the windows?
Anything weird about the windows? There's Christmas lights in there?
Yeah.
Why are there Christmas lights? Doesn't JP say it's definitely abandoned? Go to JP's video. He's got some cool stuff. He's helped us with being inspired and learning how to create videos and stuff. But he's got a couple little theories that he says when places are abandoned. As soon as you find a child's toy or Christmas decoration. Ow, that nettle got in my britches. A thistle. I got a thistle in my britches. So somebody had a fire here.
What are those things?
I don't know. Flowers. Somebody's got flowers. Is it an animal that's saving them?
There's a little
It's
dish.
clover.
There's a little dish there.
Honey, it's clover.
So they feed in some kind of... I wonder if there's a stray cat or something that lives there. I hope not.
But there's, it's clover.
Oh, there's
A rabbit
there's
eats
the
clover.
dustbin. I wonder where you left that.
We were looking for the dustbin this morning. I had a trauma as I went out the door. I spilled a bunch of cat food all over the floor and our dog can't eat it. And
There it is.
there's a missing dustpan. This is just wild. I wonder if they had a haunted house here or something. There's glass all over. It's so shame people break glasses and stuff. Oh my God, there's a death to the wicked. Yeah, I stepped on that.
Ooh,
I stepped on that.
that's a crazy t-shirt.
That's
spinning.
spooky, and it's laid out like they were thinking about somebody. Well, so there's broken glass all over. I don't know what this is. This was something.
Remember to talk loud because there's cars outside.
Coming by. But if you guys can see, we thought, well, maybe it isn't a school because of the windows. But if you look, it did have, now it looks like it's got newer windows in it than it did, but you can see it had those lower windows like an elementary school always has.
It has the old windows.
And this looks like this was a doorway or something. What's this here? Or is that just the wall? Oh, there's the door. Wow, this is just wild, you guys.
You know, it makes me think of like a Mexican...
Somebody started fires in here. Somebody burned a car seat.
It looks like a Mexican restaurant, you know, like a Mexican food place.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe it was a house for a while. And look in the ceiling up there, it's still got the vents. And they're still spinning.
Oh, it's got a vent and it's still spinning.
From the wind, isn't that cool?
Can you guys see the air vent? Up there, it's still spinning. Not wild.
I got to holding the bag.
Huh?
She left me holding the bag.
Wow. This is something else. Whew, spooky.
Amy's getting to enjoy this cool place.
Wow. Now, it's got steel beams and angles. Now, that one has an angle, but it doesn't have it on this side. How come? That angle's there. Was that rigged because it was starting to fall? Or no, it's in the cement.
I just can't tell you how excited I am, guys. I would never in a million years guess that this was still here. If I'm wrong about this, I think it may have been occupied by some people at one time. I don't know if it was a house or church or something for a while. You can see the beautiful glass windows up above the door there. And you can see the arched doorway. And somebody has put wood in there since. And of course, boarded it all up. But I can't tell you, this is just so cool. It's been this way so it's got to be 30 plus years. Probably a lot more than that. Because it was abandoned back then. But it was in really good shape back then. The windows were all still in it and all that. But airplane flying over. I don't know if you can see it. What a treat. I was driving. I couldn't remember exactly where it was. I knew it was close to Mineral Road. And then I decided to drive a little further and see if I could find it. Sure enough, here it is.
Fill that in. But look at that little window above the top. It wasn't a church, was it? See that little alcove? That little stained glass? That's really old glass.
It looks like
that's really, really old glass.
Or maybe there was, you'd think there would still be stained glass windows also for the church, but maybe that was the stained glass window.
Yeah, look at, see that? Little window above the top. Isn't that just crazy? What is that? Old glass. I mean,
You know, I don't know
what's
if
that
that's
noise?
glass. It almost looks like tile.
What was that noise?
That's a crow or a raven. He's flying right there.
Looks like tile, you think? They're
Yeah.
clear. They're glass. Glass blocks. They're the glass blocks windows. That's what that is. We got 2 members.
We just want to say, if you ever make it to Mineral, Washington, come to the Headquarters Tavern. They got some good food, baby.
Yep.
Yeah,
Fill the hot fries and camp sauce.
for sure.
And the burger's delicious.
Good stuff. Friendly people too.
Ice cold beer.
I just wanted to let you guys know how much we appreciate you guys and for coming along with us today. So here we are. Cheers.
Cheers. What place are we? Headquarters Tavern.
Cheers.
Headquarters Tavern, Mineral, Washington.
You got it.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing? I like your shirt.
This is our blooper reel. We got all the way out here. I've had this shirt on for at least half a day.
Yeah,
And
look
we
what you
realized what's on the front of it.
forgot. One X.
So the whole world knows that I finally reached the plus size section.
And look where we
And
are.
I'm comfortable and happy.
Yeah,
Where are we? Where are
right
we?
behind you.
Oh, we're at a school. We think it's a schoolhouse.
It's either Stevenson or Stevens. I'm pretty sure it's Stevens because there's another town
I
called
thought it was
Stevenson.
Charles or something. But...
No, it is Stevens or Stevens.
Okay.
I'm not going to argue with you the whole time.
No, I know.
Here
I
we
just
go.
was telling you I thought it was something
This is
different.
yours.
Okay. Is it going?
Yep.
Wait, where's my glasses? Uh-oh.
Up on top.
Oh, thanks. And they're dirty. I
Got
can't
her
see.
glasses on. It's recording.
Okay, I'm